Alright, hello everyone, my name is Aisley Sun. Wanted to try a little different video now, because I got some food. Let me just get the paper bag real quick. Actually, my parents brought home some food from a place called Zark's Burgers. Yummy. If you never heard of them, they're a new burger joint in SM, here in Baguio. I don't see any receipt anywhere, so I'm not sure what this is called, but from the looks of it, I already had it unwrapped and ready to eat, but I thought, why not? Try something a little new. Running on empty, why not? Here we go. Here's the beauty. I think it's like a grilled cheeseburger, I guess. Just look at that beautiful thing right there. Just get it a little warm. Yeah, look at that. Look at this. Goodness gracious. Yeah, look at that. Trying to get it to like gets on it more, I guess, but I guess that's fine. So I guess I can pull this apart. So it looks like a grilled cheeseburger. Oh my, yeah, look at that. Oh. Woohoo! See that? Oh my goodness. And that's beautiful. Look at that. Here's the one half. Here's the other half. Look at that dangling cheese, man. So it looks like cheese, the burger, the grilled bread, then jalapeno, or peppers in it. My cat's on the table. Uy, don't play with the tissue. Sit up. So yeah, just want to try this real quick because I don't think I've ever tried this yet from Zark's. So I wanted to get my thoughts on this and share it with all y'all. Here we go. Let's just try it out. The grilled cheese burger from Zark's Burgers. I'm gonna go in. Looks like it has some kind of barbecue sauce as well. Can you look at that again? That's beautiful. Anyway, I'll try it now. Wow. Mm. Mm. Look at that right there. Isn't that beautiful? So let me just cut right to the chase. It's delicious. You can really taste the beef, all that cheese. The peppers give it that little bit of kick, which is nice. And the little barbecue sauce gives it like that little tangy zest. And overall, it's very balanced. It goes well together. So yeah, nice quick little food review. Delicious. So I guess I'll rate it. I don't know.
Ano yan? Jacks ba?
Zark's.
Sharks.
Mm.
Masarap. Space.
Yeah. You can you see diba it's naka-half in the middle, you can half it na agad. Kasi the melted cheese in the middle. It's my dad. So yeah, I guess out of 10. Do I do out of 10? I'm not really sure. I don't even remember if like I did the food thing before and did a rating on it. But I guess nah, not out of 10. Let's do something of our own. Out of 7, I'm giving this. I really want to give it a perfect score because it does taste good. Some people think Zark's burgers it's a little bit on the greasy side and whatnot, but this one's actually really good. You can see it, no grease on the beef whatsoever or on the cheese and all that. So yeah, I think I'll give it a perfect 7 out of 7. Lovely burger, tasty, it's amazing. So yeah, yes, that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you did enjoy all this cheesy goodness, leave a like and all that good stuff, share with your friends, comment down below, follow me on my socials, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna finish this now.